Do you want to develop super attractive personality? Do you want to know what is the secret of super attractive personality? If you said yes, then this video is for you. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication specialist. And if you're new to the channel, I talk about success, mindset, communication, personality, and living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, also like the video so that it reaches out to maximum people. So share with you 10 super simple and easy tips that you can instantly apply to have super attractive personality. And you know what is the best part? The best part is these all are very practical and you can implement it. And as I have trained and coached on this subject to more than 6,000 people till date, I'm sure these tips are very practical. You can instantly apply them. So let's get started. So tip number 1. First tip is positive attitude. Do you know that when you are positive, you emit a particular kind of radiation? You cannot see that radiation, but it exists, which you can say it aura, right? Have you ever felt that when you see somebody or when you are near to somebody, you feel very positive around that person? What is that? That is the positive vibe that they have. So once you have positive attitude, once you are positive towards life, then automatically you attract people towards you. And how you can do that? Let me give you a very simple tool that you can use. Just be more grateful in your life. Just be thankful for whatever you have in your life. Just be in that state of gratitude. If you are in state of gratitude, if you're really thankful for everything that you have in your life, you know what? You will automatically emit that positive energy. And if you're going to do that, just type in the comment box, I'm going to do that. Number 2, to have super attractive personality is maintain good eye contact. Do you know that eyes are the window of the soul? And when you see somebody, when you connect to them, right, when you are looking into the eyes of the person, it shows that you're giving them attention. It shows that you're confident. And once your personality shows that you're very confident, you're able to look into the eyes of other person, it automatically captures the attention. It automatically creates an amazing personality that captures any and everyone. So maintain eye contact, be very comfortable to make eye contact, be confident in your own self. Tip number 3, to have super attractive personality, smile. Do you know that smile is the shortest distance between two people? And also, if you have observed that if you smile, most of the time you get that back. Okay, so smile is very pleasant. It shows that you're friendly, you are approachable. So that makes your personality very attractive. And also, please be very careful. Don't laugh. Okay, just smile. See, smile is a beautiful weapon if you use it in the right way. If you will laugh a lot, it will show that you're very, very casual. But if you just subtly smile, if you just pass smile, it shows that you are friendly, you're approachable. Tip: dress well. So when you see anybody, okay, what is the first thing you see in them? You see how they are dressed, right? So dressing speaks a lot, and I personally believe that you should dress in any attire that just makes you feel good. Okay, just try out different colors, just see what kind of dresses that resonate well with your personality. Accordingly, just wear those kind of dresses. Wearing good dress, and if you're really groomed well, if you are really looking good, it automatically captures the eyes of people, and that makes you very attractive. Because when you see somebody who's dressed really well, you automatically see, wow, this person is looking really good. Wow, this person looks, amazing. So that automatically you are attracting people through your dressing. So have good dressing sense, have smart dressing sense. Wear dresses that goes well with your personality. Try different colors and as per the occasion dress. Okay, if you're going in a party, have that kind of dressing sense. If you're going in an office, have that kind of dressing sense. If you're going to a temple, have that kind of dressing sense. Okay, so your dressing sense has to be as per the place that you are going. So have an amazing dressing sense, dress well, feel good in that dress that you're wearing, and that is going to create amazing and attractive personality. Number 5, to have super attractive personality is do not talk loose. Do not do loose talks. Now, what do I mean by loose talks? Loose talk means getting over friendly, using very casual language. For example, are yaar, and talking something that you should not say, like maybe bitching about somebody, gossiping, speaking something negative, or are talking very loose to people, specifically in a professional setting. It really tarnishes your image. Okay, so here you have to be very careful. If you want to have super attractive personality, you have to be careful with the choice of words and that you're using. Be very subtle, be very soft, be very generic when you talk about anything normal, talk about weather, talk about environment, talk about anything latest, talk about a hobby. These are normal topics that you can talk about. Tip number 6. Now this is so simple, but let me tell you, this is so rare. Okay, and that is smell good. So the kind of perfume you wear, it automatically attracts people. I still remember I was a lot of people, right? And there was a person that I met during one of my events, and oh my god, he was not at all smelling good. I was just not comfortable around him. Okay, so I just ran and went somewhere else. So although this thing is very basic, it's a basic hygiene, but take care of yourself that you smell really good. Use good perfume, use good deo. Your smell is really, really good. Okay. Tip number 7. If you want to have super attractive personality that people can't resist you, do not ask personal questions. Yes, you have to respect space, you have to respect the boundaries that people have. And so I have seen, in parties and all, people ask very weird questions such as, when are you getting married, when are you going to have kids, how much do you make, how much do you earn? Now let me tell you, these questions makes people really very uncomfortable. Okay, so like I said, just be very general. Ask general question. How was your weekend? What are you doing next month? How is overall your business doing? How was your experience with a client? Who all are there in your family? Anything that is pretty general, but do not ask questions that are very personal to people, because people may not like it, and instead of being attractive, you will not be so attractive character. Okay, so in order to have a very attractive personality, you have to refrain yourself from asking personal questions. And if you're going to do that, just type in the comment box, I'm going to do that. Tip number 8. Now this is very simple, very basic, but again very rare that I have seen, and that is, when you connect to people, when you're talking to people, please maintain distance. Specifically when you're speaking to anyone on face-to-face basis, just ensure that there's a space and the distance of 1 hand distance. Okay, so a lot of times I have seen people are not conscious and they come very close and then they talk, which can make other person very uncomfortable, right? So this is called proximity. Proximity means the space. So usually how proximity is there, if you are very close to anybody, right, the more the closer the person is, the distance between you and that person is less, right? So if you are meeting your best friend, you will just go, hi, how are you? You're going to hug that person, right? But if you're meeting somebody for the first time, you will not be comfortable, right? Hence it is very important that you maintain that distance. Even at times you may not do it deliberately, but at times you may just step into the space of other person that can make other person feel very uncomfortable. So maintain that distance, specifically if you're meeting them for the first few times, maintain that distance, okay, which is called proximity. 1 hand distance is really good when Tip number 9 is respect people and their differences. So you know what, you are going to meet a lot of people who are coming from different cultures, different background, each one of have their different stories, right? Now here you really have to respect them. If somebody follows a particular religion, respect them. If somebody is following a particular person, respect it. If somebody is wearing a particular dress that does not resonate with the kind of dresses you wear, respect it. You have to respect the differences of people, and that is what makes us really unique. But you know what I have seen, what people do is, instead of respecting, they try to judge. Oh my god, this person is wearing this. Oh my god, this person is weird. This person is believing in that. This person is... No, you should not do that. Everybody on this planet Earth is different. No two people are alike. So here, if you want to be really very attractive, you have to respect the differences of people. The last tip is so awesome and so amazing, and that will make you really very attractive, and that is, speak less and listen more. Yes, in order to be very attractive, you are a good listener. Yes, you speak, obviously you have to speak if you have to, but ideally you should listen more. Initially when you're meeting people, then you will really find people very attractive who are listening rather than people who are just speaking more. Okay, unless you're not attending a show wherein a speaker has to speak, right? So generally when you're meeting people, it's always a good idea that you speak less and listen more. Let the other person speak up, let the other person share more, let the other person tell you more about them. Okay, so this way you are going to create amazing relationships also, and that's going to make you super attractive. So I hope guys this video was helpful. If yes, please hit the a thumbs up. And also, if you want to work on your communication, personality development, and you want to learn more about how to influence people, then I'm doing my live workshop, and so you can just register for that workshop. I'll be more than happy to have you in that live workshop. So register for that workshop now, and I'm going to see you live there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.